Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix Apple ID has not yet been used in the iTunes Store error. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you just have to open up your App Store and then just search for Apple support like this. And here you can just download this app and contact Apple support from here and tell them about your issue, and just select iTunes in the error section and tell them about the issue very specifically, and they will fix your problem within 24 to 48 hours. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.